So today I'll show you how to make this bird using paper. So let's start the video. So first take a cardboard paper and draw a circle like this and then cut it. After cut this cardboard, then fold like this. Now take a color paper. You can use any color paper you want, then fold like this. Watch this step carefully. Okay, so now take your cardboard and cut a hole. You can use a scissor, a knife, but cut it carefully. Okay, so now take your color paper and put inside. Now take a color paper and cut two triangle pieces. Now draw an eye and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like and subscribe.